Hello everyone, this is Stan, TKO Clamps. Today we're introducing to you our new accessory mount bar. The bar is designed to work in tandem with our clamps. If you look on the back, there are holes that are put in here so that you can key them with our clamp. We also left the center hole open so that if you decide that because of the angles you're working with you need a little bit more adjustability, this clamp will allow you to do that. If you look at the front face, you'll notice that it has these slots cut in it. That's so that you can come up with a myriad of combinations of things that you might want to put on here. Could be a GoPro if you choose to do that. You can mount a gas can, you can mount a spare tire. This thing works for almost everything. We currently carry the Quick Fist product. We carry that for a reason because it allows us to do everything from fishing poles to shovels to rifles, whatever it is that you're trying to mount. And so this works in harmony with that. So we just encourage you to look at this product, go online and take a look at us at tkoclamps.com. Right now we're selling this item out. It's made of billet aluminum. It's 8 inches by 1 inch. We're selling it for $19. It is a smoking good deal. We encourage you to look at our products online, share us, like us, and we'd really appreciate that. Thank you. Stan out.